We need to practice with our mindfulness, because whenever we are working with our mindfulness, our body is become our house, and we don't need to force ourselves anytime. We just move our body with 100% mindfulness. So if you cannot do many things today, no matter, you just need proper foundation. So my channel, and I'm helping everyone who love to do just like me. So we no need to improve our only the body, we need to work also with the mind, because body and the mind both are very important. And always remember, don't force yourself. Listen to your body, move your body with a beautiful art. Because when we move our body with mindfulness, it's give us more ability to make our life more healthy, more stronger, and more happy from the heart. So just do and listen to your body and practice every day. So we need to just practice every day, and consistently you can improve your practice, and you can be improve your level. Thank you for watching.